To effectively utilize WePay API keys, it is essential to understand the fundamental concepts and implementation procedures. WePay is a payment processing platform that enables businesses to accept payments online. And API keys are crucial for integrating WePay into your application or website. First, you need to create a WePay account and obtain your API keys. The WePay dashboard provides access to your client ID and client secret, which are your API keys. The client ID is used to identify your application, while the client secret is used for authentication. Next, you need to choose the correct API endpoint for your specific use case. WePay provides various API endpoints for different functions, such as payment processing, account management, and transaction retrieval. Ensure that you select the appropriate endpoint to achieve your desired outcome. To authenticate with the WePay API, you need to use the client ID and client secret to obtain an access token. The access token is a temporary token that grants access to the WePay API and must be renewed periodically. You can obtain an access token by sending a POST request to the WePay authentication endpoint with your client ID and client secret. Once you have obtained an access token, you can use it to make API requests to WePay. The access token should be included in the authorization header of each request. You can then use the WePay API to perform various tasks, such as creating payments, retrieving transaction history, and managing accounts. When using WePay API keys, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure security and compliance. You should never expose your client secret or access token in your application code or logs. Additionally, you should use secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt data transmitted between your application and the WePay API. In conclusion, using WePay API keys requires a thorough understanding of the WePay platform and API implementation. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can effectively integrate WePay into your application or website and start accepting payments online. Remember to always prioritize security and compliance when using WePay API keys to protect your business and customers.